everyone, so today I'm going to be filming another exciting video. It's another unboxing, but I am so excited for this because I've been wanting this for so long and I just got off work. Today is St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patty's Day if you celebrate. Me and Emmett have matching jackets. I put it on for St. Patrick's Day because it's green. We have our matching jackets, so there's our little bit of green. When my package got here, I was like, I am ready to open this, but I had to like self-discipline. I was like, okay, I can't open it until the end of the work day because I could work from home today. So I was like, okay, I can't open it until I get off work and take Emmett outside and everything. So it is now 6:55 and I'm opening it and I'm so excited. So I think I'm actually gonna combine two different unboxings in this one video. If you like clicked on this video, you know that I got the Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I actually already got it in the terry cloth material, but I love the leather because I was like, oh, that'll be like more like just I can use it a lot more and it's more durable. Like I said, I have the terry cloth one and I haven't actually used it yet because I'm just too scared to like get it dirty and stuff. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have the leather. And like, you know, with the summer, like spring and summer is coming up because I think spring starts on Monday. So I'm just like, I love summer so much, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be wearing these every single day. I got mine from Sense because it was like sold out on the actual Marc Jacobs website, so that's where I got it from. I literally bought this like on Wednesday and it's here and it's Friday, so they were not joking about the 2-day shipping. Like, it got here quick. So thank you so much, Sense. I am so excited. I'm going to open the box. So here's the box. This is what it came like, and you can already see like through it and stuff. So I got the mini Marc Jacobs the tote bag, and the color is Daybreak. Like I said, they were sold out on like the actual Marc Jacobs website, so I had to get it on Sense. And I have been contemplating for so long, and I'm glad I finally got it because it's such a cute bag. So this is how it looks. It's more of like a gray purple. This is so pretty though. Like, I have been wanting this for so long and now I finally have it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. And yeah, this feels so sturdy. Like, I can, oh my gosh, like even look, it just looks so cute. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love this, like, because I love small bags, like the little like Y2K, like 90s, like little like baguette bags and stuff. And like, I've been using that bag for like over a year now, but I have just really been into tote bags lately. Like, so many of like the girls have been getting tote bags, and I'm like, you know, I kind of want a tote bag. I'm big on like just like always being prepared for anything. So just like with tote bags, you can fit so much more stuff in it. I'm excited to like throw snacks in here, honestly. Like, you can just put snacks in your purse, like some candy and stuff, like just throughout the day. Like, I actually do have candy in that bag, but like it's so smushed now because it's so small. But oh my gosh. Okay, so it does come with a dust bag, so that's kind of good to know that it comes with that, because I'll probably put it in the dust bag. Like, that's actually, I have to look and see if my terry cloth one has it. I'm not sure, but I love it. And then it's like the Marc Jacobs print anyway, so that's like a cute dust bag. We love that. It has the strap in here. I probably will use it as like a crossbody because I just like being hands-free, so I probably will use this. So I might as well just like open it. But I also love that this has the silver hardware because I love silver. And then we have more and more and more paper and stuff in here. I appreciate them putting all the protective stuff in here. Here is the zipper and everything that does a little magnet right there. That's so cool how it does that though, like the little magnet. And it's like a strong magnet, so okay, thank you. But yes, this is, oh my gosh, this is huge. Like, I feel like it's so big inside, and I'm like, oh yeah, I can fit so many snacks in here. Like, yes, that's what I'm excited about, fitting snacks in my purse. So I got out all the paper finally. So this is how it looks on the inside. It's like gray on the inside, and then it has like the little flap, And okay, this is like the authenticity card, I think. So you have that in there too. And then like the little flap and stuff on the side. So that's good that it has like just a tiny bit of organization. I may get a bag organizer, I may not, I'm not sure yet. That's the only weird thing. Why is the strap like right where the zipper is? So then you have to like move the zipper over. I guess it still works though, but it's just kind of inconvenient just a little bit. This is how it looks. It's so cute. And like I said, this is the mini and it's still really big. Like, that's what I love about the tote bags, because it's like mini, but it's still like a normal size purse. This was really expensive. That's why I was like mainly waiting on buying it, because it was $3.95. It used to be $3.75 apparently. I watched so many videos and it used to be $3.75, or I don't know if it's like the color or what, but yes, this was $3.95. But I got a $10 off coupon for cents, so that was good. But yes, this is how it looks. I'm so happy with it. I am glad that I finally got it, because I was like, should I get it, should I not? But I'm like, yeah, I love leather bags. Like, you can just use them forever and ever and ever. So I'm really excited about that. And I did want to do like a comparison with my terry cloth bag. My package said it was out for delivery and I was just so excited, and I literally ran and got it the second that it delivered. So I'm gonna unbox it now. I know my outfit is not that cute. I got home from work. I also wanted to apologize for the poor lighting, because it's almost 9 o'clock now and I'm just now filming this, but I could not wait until tomorrow or anything. Like, I was like, I have to film this right now. I'm so excited to open it. This is something that I've been wanting for a while and I just never bought it because it's so expensive, and I was like, I don't need that. Like, I really just don't need it. My sister has a Marc Jacobs tote bag and she loves it, and like, I love how it looks on her, and I was just like, oh, okay, like, that's a cute bag and stuff. Like, I never really thought about getting one because I'm not really like a tote bag person. But then I saw the terry cloth one, and if you know me, you know I love like all things like velour, velvet, terry cloth. Like, I just love those fabrics so much. So I was like, I really want the Marc Jacobs like terry cloth tote bag, but like I said, it's crazy expensive. So I was like, I'm not gonna, like, it's gonna get dirty. Like, I don't need to spend that much money on it. But after my sister and like everybody on YouTube who has like Marc Jacobs tote bags, they said they love them. So I was like, I just want to like, I want to jump on the bandwagon. And this was like a summer only one, or I don't know, they may still have it like it's fall and like it's still there, but I didn't even want to like jinx it and have it sell out or whatever. I was trying to get it from Neiman Marcus because they had like 10% cash back with Rakuten, but it just like wouldn't work. So I was like, okay, well, Bloomingdale's has 6% cash back, so I just did that one. And I'm doing the payment plan because like I said, it's very expensive, but I can see it in the box now. I got the mini and it is adorable. Like, I don't even think okay, so like all the videos that I've seen, it wasn't showing up true to color. Like, it looked more like a mustard or like a golden, but this is like a pale yellow. Like, it's so cute. So, oh my gosh, I know some people were complaining about it just coming in like a little bag because it's so expensive, and like, I understand because it is so expensive, but I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What? I have a Marc Jacobs tote bag. What? And here, okay, the strap, the long strap is in here. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then here's a little Marc Jacobs little whatever this is. I don't really care about that because I care about the bag. That's how like people put it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm glad I finally got it because like I said, I have been debating like since actual summer about getting this. This is actually so cute, and like I know people said it holds so much. Like I said, let's not focus on my outfit because these are my comfortable clothes after work. I worked an 8-hour day. Give me a break. But look at this, and I love that it's actually showing up true to color. This is very much like a yellow bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I understand what people mean now about it being like a big bag, because I was gonna get the small, but then I thought about like my sister's bag and I was like, that's a really big bag that she has, and like for it to be a terry cloth bag, I don't think I'd want to carry it like every single day. So I was like, let me get a smaller one. Like it still can fit like every single thing, but it's just like smaller. We have to figure out this situation. That's how it looks. Oh, I love this. And if you are wondering about like sizing, again, if you kind of like smaller bags, I say get the mini, because this is still really big. And like, I know it's not that big of a price difference, but like if you're not going to carry it every single day, I say get the mini. I'm probably not going to use the crossbody strap, but I like that it's an option. I have no other words other than it's so cute. If you're contemplating getting this, I say get it, because I was contemplating getting it for so long, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna get it. It's like the tote bag, but also you can't really even see it that much, but I like it. Like I like the branding, you know? So this is how my mini terry cloth one looks, and I got the yellow, of course. This one doesn't have a dust bag. I think I got this one from Bloomingdale's, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is how the terry cloth one looks, because I did the unboxing way earlier. And then this is the leather one. So they're both so cute though. I love that I have like a little tote bag collection now. The only problem with the terry cloth one is that it has like some misshapenness, but it came misshapen, so that's kind of sad. But yeah, I still need to like use this one. I just haven't yet. Yeah, this one doesn't have the magnet on the side, but it's long enough that like it goes all the way down. I'm sure like a ton can fit in here. I didn't do like a what fits test, but like it's pretty large. Like it's really big. Even though it's the mini, like you can just look and see that this will fit a lot. Like this is it compared to my hand. Like it goes all the way up to my wrist. So I think it's really good. And like I said, I may get an organizer, I may not. Like now that I'm seeing it, I don't know if I'm still going to, but I'm just so happy. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just like combined them together because I was like, wait, since I got two, I might as well just put both videos together. I'm so excited about them. So anybody who's looking at like the terry cloth or the leather, you can see both in one video. So yes, make sure you subscribe and stuff. I am getting more into purses, so if you want to see more purse content, because Coach actually came out with their like strawberry collection like last week or something. It may have been like 2 weeks ago by now, but I've had my eye on one, and I was like, I literally don't need any more purses at all. Like I said, I've been using that one still, so I was like, I don't need any more purses at all. But I don't know, it's a really good price for it, so we'll have to see. Like I don't need it at all, especially after paying for that leather one, but we'll see. Because if they have payment plans and stuff, I just say go for it. But that's just me, because I don't know how to budget. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!